Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So today, this is the one y'all have been waiting for. Some of y'all guys have been requesting this one. We are going to do the jump rope squats, all right? The jump rope squats. First thing foremost, that's gonna require a lot of good leg strength. If you haven't strengthened up your legs, and what I mean by that, this is besides jump roping. Do some different type of calisthenics workouts for your legs. Strengthen up those legs before you start doing those jump rope squats. The jump rope squats, I have done it in the past without strengthening my legs, and I tell you, now that I incorporate weightlifting, like squatting, Bulgarian split squats, I said Bulgarian split squats, all kind of legs extensions, all that, strengthen up those legs, all right? Front squats, anything that strengthen up them legs is gonna make it much easier when you do the jump rope squats. So with the jump rope squats, what I like to do is always do a side swing first and then to come down. So it goes a little bit something like this. I don't know why I messed it up. So it goes a little bit something like this. Okay, so you can't really go super slow with that kind of trick. You really want to make sure that when you're doing that type of trick, that you actually engaging with staying on the balls of your feet. So whenever I'm doing it, I'm on the balls of my feet. I'm not flat-feeted. You know what I mean? I'm not like this. I'm not like that. What's gonna happen is you're gonna really hurt your legs with all that stumping. So I personally would not recommend doing it flat feet. Stay on the balls of your feet and hit it. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna do 10 from the side. And you're gonna see from the side, I'm on the balls of my feet. All right, and I can honestly say, incorporating weightlifting into my workout regimen had actually been a great benefit in my jump roping. So it's just strengthening up all areas of your body. And then when it's time for you to actually do a lot of leg workouts, you know, like the hops, you know, bouncing, going squats, you know, you can do the lunges, you can do that, like all those kind of drills. Man, I'm telling you, make sure you're lifting some weights, strengthen up your body. And I'm telling you, it's gonna be a great help when you alternate back and forth from jump roping to also weightlifting. So now, I'm gonna do 10. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, all right? And the main thing is too, when I'm doing this with the rope and I'm coming here, I'm keeping the rope close to me. I'm not having a rope way over here. You know, I'm not doing that. I'm keeping it very close. It looks very smooth. It looks effortless when you keep it close. All right, so something like this. So, give that one a shot. I promise you, that one is not easy. I'm telling you, because when you are jump roping and you down this low, man, if you haven't done it before, it's gonna be a great challenge. But there's nothing that you can't handle. If you have a challenge and you like challenges, this jump rope squats is an awesome challenge. Give that one a shot. First thing foremost, like I tell you guys, if you're starting out doing this, just make sure you're doing weightlifting to incorporate strength into your legs, because you're going to need that. Me first starting out doing that, I was all over the place. Also too, you work your core. Work that core, because you gotta have a balance when you're doing that. All right, you gotta have a balance. All right, I'm not jumping all over the place. I'm not going over here. I'm not doing none of that. I'm literally staying right here. Right here. I ain't moving. Only movement is the one in placement. That's the only one, that's the only movement I'm doing, is the one standing in place. I ain't bouncing all everywhere. Like I said, if you first start out, if you're bouncing everywhere within your jump rope squat, it happens. That's what it comes with learning. Anytime it comes with learning, it's not gonna be pretty. But if you keep staying at it, keep tackling it, I promise you, it's gonna get better. That being said, guys, whew, I don't have anything else. I wish everyone a Merry Christmas. If you're going to your families, traveling to your families, out of state, in state, just drive safe, have a good time, and wishing everyone a great Merry Christmas, and wishing everyone safe travels. With that being said, I don't have anything else. Until then, I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a good one.